Hi guys, it's Sharon. This is my first video, and I'm super excited to start this YouTube channel to post my technical analysis of the stock market using Elliot Wave Theory. Um, I'll be pinpointing specific stocks to have on your radar that have good potential in, let's say, coming weeks or months. I'll be sharing my thought process on how I analyze these stocks, which may help you learn more about the basics of technical analysis in order to better guide you in your trading. So let's get started. The first stock that we'll be looking into is DPW or Ault Global Holdings Incorporated. This company has their foot in electric vehicle batteries, clean energy, blockchain, and I think they are planning to mine Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think in next couple of months. So yeah, I've had my eye on this one for a while now. Um, so let's dive right into the chart. Um, we can start from 2000, but this price action is not relevant anymore. But just if we stick with the technical analysis, we can say that this was wave A. Then we had a multi-year wave B, which ended around December 2017. That's when the stock had a crazy run because they were mining Bitcoin, and we had the Bitcoin bubble in December 2017. So ever since that, the stock has been falling, and this looks like a more of an impulsive wave C, which is extended, and we generally do not see such big extensions in wave C, but it's quite possible. Um, the wave C created a downtrend line, which you can see here. It had five waves: one, two, three, four, and five. Before the stock actually bottomed. So if we go into the weekly chart, um, the first indication was the volume. As you can see, this week had the most volume in comparison to any of the prior week. Um, so it made a high, didn't make a higher high compared to the previous high. So I was not sure at that point of time that the stock has actually bottomed. But then it made a higher high compared to the previous high. That's how you tell, okay, there's a trend change because a higher high has been made. So you look for a higher low post that. So it tested the downtrend line here and then went into the correction, and tested it again here, tested it again here, and then made a higher low before it eventually broke out of the downtrend and made a higher high again, which confirmed that the stock has bottomed because it made a higher high, higher low, higher high, and possibly a higher low here. That's how you say that the trend has changed and the market is looking bullish. So, whenever the market tests the resistance line or the support line multiple times, that line becomes weak and eventually gets broken, as we saw here. Um, so, we can say from Elliott wave perspective that this was wave one, this was two, then this was wave one of wave three, and then we had a correction of wave two of wave three primary. Now we are expecting wave three of wave three primary. So wave three is when most of the people participate in the market, and we see huge volume and big gains. So expecting that to happen with DPW. So if we use the fib extensions to identify the target of wave 3. So we start from the wave 1 bottom to wave 1 top, and then go to wave 2 where it ended. So it takes us around $82, or maybe somewhere around 80 to $90. Um, and you can see that the stock has resistance around $70. The way you identify the resistance and support line is looking into the prior or historical price action and see whether the stock bounced or got rejected from a specific level. So whenever the stock bounces on from a specific level, that acts as support. And as you can see, it got broken, retested it, and got rejected. So that is a confirmation of a sell signal. Post that, it started falling. There's a resistance line at $15. It tested here, got rejected, came down, tested again here, got rejected. So expecting a move to at least $15 first, and it may not break it in the first go. It may retrace, then it may break, go into this box, and this box is actually a gap on the daily chart, as you can see here. So I want to see this gap getting filled. Uh, Post that, it can go to 25 and 40. So once it breaks above 25, which is a resistance line, as you can see, the price bounced off this level but eventually gapped down. So I don't expect it to be a huge resistance level, but around 40, 38 to 40, there's resistance. As you can see, it tested a couple of times there. So uh, but before we go there, first I want to see 15 level get tested and eventually gets broken, and then the gap will happen, and then we can reevaluate whether things are happening as we are expecting or not. So yeah, so we are in wave 3, I think. We already have begun the upward journey. Right now we are correcting. The next move should be very impulsive. As I said, wave 3 maximum people participate. So we should see huge volume and huge gains in the stock in, let's say, coming weeks or a couple of months. Um, at least it should test the top of the channel eventually once it breaks $15, and then we can see if it gets rejected or if it breaks to the top side. That's what happened in wave 3. The initial channel gets broken on the top side and it goes above, then retests the channel, and then goes above again, making a new high, which should be wave 5 target. We'll get into wave 5 target once we reach these levels. Don't want to jump the gun right now. Um, for the bearish case scenario, if we go into the hourly chart, so if I look at the fib retracement level from bottom to the top, 3.21, 3.05 should act as support because those are zero point 0.5 and 0.618 retracement level. It's also called the golden box. The price um, can come to this level and then should bounce from this level. If we go below that, then that will be bearish, and then I expect this level get tested again. And this was not an impulsive move, but a corrective move. And then I think we should at least bounce from the bottom of the channel. If we break it, that means the current count that I have here is not correct, and I'll reevaluate and post the new count. But right now, bullish on this stock at the moment for next couple of months. So yeah, that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and please help me grow my channel by making sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a video. I plan to be posting regularly on YouTube, let's say a couple or three times a week, maybe. I'll be posting on my Twitter channel more frequently, obviously, because it takes less time to post there compared to making a video. But yeah, I plan to be active on both the channels. So do follow me on my Twitter account as well. It's by the same name, Sharon Trades, where I share my different stock setups and live tweet my thoughts on the market. So you can follow me there as well for daily updates. Link will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, feedback, then please leave a comment below. So thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Take care. Ciao. Bye bye.